going to solve linked list cycle. Here, in the input section, they have given one sort of a linked list with the existing of the cycle. Here, the linked list size would be like a 4. So it has obviously a cycle. Here, like they have given some sort of position. It is nothing but an index. They just map the end of the tail of the linked list with the certain point of the position. They made a cycle. Here it is cycle is possible. So they made true. So here also in the second example, they have given one sort of the example with the length of the two single list nodes. So here they map the tail with the position of a zeroth index. So here also cycle is possible. So they will get result as it will return it. And here they has only one node, that is nothing but an head itself. There is no position exist in this loop, so we'll return the false as a result. So mine approach is for the to solve this problem. Yeah, I have taken like slow two pointers approach. It's like in making slow and as well as fast as a two variables. I just initialize it to the head of the linked list node, and fast can move towards two steps better than the slow, and slow will move just one step ahead. So let us take an example of the first one. 3204 as minus 4 as the linked list nodes, and I have just applied this dry run for this approach, like moving slow with the one pointer, and as well as fast with two times to the slow. This is the mathematical theme. So generally, if whenever the fast and slow appears at the same point, then we'll return true as a result. Otherwise, we'll return the false as a result. For this approach, the time complexity to solve this problem, big O of n, and the space complexity should be big O of 1. So I'll go with problem solving. Yeah, first of all, here we need to initialize two variables to the linked list head node. So I'll go with two pointers with the naming as slow as I initialize to head, and the fast same thing I initialize to head, and then I iterate over the fast pointer because fast will move two steps, right? So I'll iterate at the end of the linked list, like fast dot next. If it is equals to null means I'll break out to the will break out to the out of the loop. So while and fast dot next, then we need to write the logic for a slow pointer and the fast pointer. Slow pointer, as I said, no, it move one step ahead, and the fast pointer will move two steps. Then slow is equals to slow dot next, and fast is equals to fast dot next. So here what we need to return, whenever the fast and the slow pointer meets at the same node, then we'll return the true as our output. So if slow equals to fast, then we'll return as true. Otherwise, we will return false. Yeah, it is a pretty easy question. Yeah, here we are all our test cases are just passed. Now, right now, I will submit my code. Yeah, here is the time complexity for the our approach. Like it should be big of an. It is asking for the subscription plan. Yeah, thank you.